Hello and welcome. I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Amy.
And this is J&A
Travel Day.
During this voyage, we have been asked many times by guests, how did you know what theme nights would be hosted on the ship? Here's a quick and easy way to find the information on the Royal Caribbean app. First, you're going to load your Royal Caribbean app, and once it comes up, you will make sure the middle icon, the calendar, is selected.
You'll then tap the Sail Smartly button, and here you will find any information on theme nights, time changes, safety info, on information on ports of call.
This will typically populate 1 to 2 weeks prior to your sailing, so be sure to continually refresh the app leading up to your cruise. Sometimes you will even need to log out of the app and then back in to get the most updated information.
And then you can make Amazon your best friend and get to ordering some costumes for the theme night.